Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. I picked up these dies at Hobby Lobby and I decided that I am going to do a giveaway. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been subscribing to my channel, who's supporting my channel, leaving comments, and watching all of my Valentine's Day videos. I really appreciate all the love that you guys have given me, and I just wanted to do a fun free giveaway. So I'm giving away this Sizzix die right here. Really, really cute, and if you watched my Valentine's Day series, you will have seen a card that I created using this die. And then I'm also giving away this die right here. It's really, really cute. I wanted to keep it, but I'm not. I'm going to give it away because I have enough heart dies. So this is going to be included in the giveaway. And then also I'm going to give you one of my little treat packets that I packaged up with some candy. And you're also going to get a handmade Valentine's Day card from me. Okay, so what do you have to do? All you have to do is, number one, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Number two, please leave a comment saying enter me, and please be 18 years or older. I really want someone that, you know, watches my channel, leaves comments, and you know, has just been there supporting me. I would really like someone like that to win this prize. So that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I will announce the winner next, let's see, what is today? Saturday. So I'll probably announce the winner next Friday. So I'll give you guys some time to leave a comment. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.